like and share. Episode 7, Cairo Great Earthquake. Once upon a time, in the beautiful city of Cairo, there was a church named after the great Archangel Michael. The church stood tall, welcoming all the faithful Christians who came to worship and pray. It was a place of love, peace, and unity. One sunny day, while the people were going about their daily lives, something unexpected happened. At exactly 9 a.m., the earth began to shake vigorously. It was an earthquake, and its mighty tremors were felt not only in Cairo but also in many cities across Egypt. As the ground rumbled and buildings shook, including the homes and marketplaces, people hurriedly sought safety. They held on to each other tightly, praying for protection and hoping that the earthquake would soon come to an end. Amidst the chaos, there was one particular church that faced the brunt of the earthquake's fury, the Church of Archangel Michael, located in El-Gazyra. The powerful force of nature caused significant damage to the church, leaving it in ruins. Now, the story of this earthquake carries another sad story. It was said that some ungodly individuals, who did not have love in their hearts, had approached the Christians attending the church earlier that day. These unkind people demanded a bribe from the faithful followers of Christ. However, the Christians, staying true to their beliefs, refused to yield to their unjust demands. Later that evening, filled with anger and spite, these ungodly individuals returned to the church. They carried out their wicked plan and destroyed the church entirely. The walls crumbled, the roof collapsed, and the once holy place of worship became a pile of rubble. The news of this heart-wrenching incident reached the ears of Abba Macarius, who was the leader of the Christian community at that time. Abba Macarius was deeply saddened by what had happened. He knew that the destruction of the church was not only a loss for the Christians but also a blow to the spirit of love and unity in the city. Abba Macarius, in his wisdom, knew that rebuilding the physical church was important, but even more crucial was the restoration of faith and unity among the people. He encouraged the Christians not to lose hope or be discouraged by the actions of the ungodly. Instead, he called upon them to come together, supporting and comforting one another during this difficult time. The story of the great earthquake and the destruction of the Church of Archangel Michael teaches us important lessons. It reminds us that even in the face of adversity, we must stand firm in our faith and continue to love and support one another. Like Abba Macarius, we should strive to rebuild not only physical structures but also the bonds of unity and kindness that make our communities strong. Today, we remember the events of that fateful day as a reminder to cherish our places of worship, to hold on to our faith, and to always stand up against injustice and unkindness. Let us be like the Archangel Michael, who embodies strength, courage, and unwavering love for God and His people. See you again soon. Subscribe, like and share.